How can lighting and daily electricity needs be ensured in environments without grid access? The standalone off-grid integrated unit was designed precisely for this purpose. It is a standalone power supply unit integrating an inverter, energy storage battery, and intelligent management system, specifically designed for off-grid areas, small businesses, outdoor projects, and emergency power applications. With 5 kilowatts of output power, it effortlessly handles household and small commercial loads. Its 5 kilowatt-hour storage capacity ensures stable power supply for hours during outages. Whether for farm irrigation, outdoor camping, communication base stations, or emergency rescue operations, it guarantees reliable electricity. Compared to traditional power supply methods, this vertical off-grid integrated unit offers 5 core advantages. Independent power supply eliminates grid dependency, providing continuous and stable electricity through solar integration. Easy installation. Compact vertical design minimizes footprint and simplifies wiring. Low operating costs. Fuel-free operation with extended maintenance intervals delivers long-term savings. Quiet and eco-friendly, zero noise and emissions make it ideal for homes, farms, and public spaces. Safe and reliable, built-in multi-level protection systems comprehensively prevent overloads, short circuits, and over-discharge risks. Equipped with an intelligent power management system, users can view battery charge level, output power, and operational status at any time with simple and intuitive operation. During installation, simply choose a well-ventilated location, connect the solar panels or generator, then link them to household or small loads. With just a few steps, you can quickly set up a complete off-grid power system. Standalone off-grid system, a stable and reliable independent power solution, empowering energy freedom and peace of mind.